10 years ago, this Su-57 vanished from the radar during a heavy storm. Today, we finally brought the Sea Ghost back to the surface. From deep-sea power washing to rebuilding the advanced AL-41F1 engines, every step of this restoration is designed for total relaxation.
It shouldn't have ended like this. You deserve better than this decay. I failed you. Watch your side, bring it left. Steady, steady. All right, lower it. Okay, easy now.
Clear on this side, keep it coming down.
The engines are secured.
Perfect fit, right on schedule.
Thumbs up confirmed.
A little to the left, easy now. Clear on this side. Looks aligned, start the driver.
The assembly is complete. The Sukhoi is ready for flight tests.
It began deep underwater, utilizing materials resilient to extreme pressure.
And now it reaches for...
Tanks are full. Everything's airtight.
For the first time in years, the Sea Ghost is back in.
Yeah, that was incredible. Woohoo!
Back in one piece. Thanks to all of you.
Dark cockpit check is good. Stand by for light synchronization.
Story of the restoration is complete, but the jet's new life